Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today, and in this video we are preparing an anti-aging mask featuring chia seeds. Well, if we definitely want to achieve chia seeds, which they look like that, and we need to understand that chia seeds are also great because they promote anti-aging from the outside in. So we do need to add them to our diet, which is not really a very hard thing to do. Well, they do have many beauty and anti-aging benefits, like they also sweep out the harmful toxins in the colon, preventing the premature wrinkles, graying of the hair, and even acne. So what if we add them to our mask? This is a very possible task. The only thing you do need to remember, there are many videos out there where you just take the chia seeds and make them gel adding water, but they are not going to add any effects because the seeds are not broken. So for that purpose we must grind them. So this is the grinder I have, and I have already done that, so you could see the difference. This is just the powder, very similar to the flax seeds. We shall begin preparing the mask by adding 2 teaspoons of chia seeds into the grinder you have, and sort of do the job. I'm adding them to the bowl right now. I would also scrape it so I get all of them. I also store my chia seeds in the refrigerator as well as the flax seeds. For me, chia and flax seeds, they are like brother and sister, I don't know. So I really love them both. Now, the second ingredient is very simple. We only need to add the water. And we need to add the water enough to see the consistency. So let's see how much water I will add. So this is half a teaspoon. So I've added a little more, so I believe that's a teaspoon in. Now let me mix it up. I think I would need another half a teaspoon. I think a little more, because chia seeds, it kind of absorbs the water. So 2. So I have used for this consistency, which is coming to a consistency, 3.5 teaspoons. But do not add all the water at once, because you need to see how much it's gonna absorb the water, because as we all know, chia seeds become gel-like consistency in contact with any liquid. For this purpose, you can use water. You could use any hydrosols, which I think is a wonderful idea, to use chamomile, hydrosol, for example, lavender. So I would just show you that this consistency will form a mask like this. You will need to apply it on your face. You do need to lay down, because it is very, very smooth, but it stays on the skin, see? So you just need to achieve this consistency. So again, I have used 3.5 teaspoons of water. You do not add everything at once. You just wait and see how it is. Now, this mask is very simple, as we can see, and I didn't mention very much the properties, the benefits of the chia seeds for your face. It could help to tighten and firm skin. It could help to lift saggy and droopy skin, also smooth out fine wrinkles and lines. But honestly, when preparing a mask, you shouldn't really end up only on anti-aging effects. There are a couple additions you could add. You can customize it. For example, if your skin is very dry or just simply dry, you might find that chia seeds might make your skin a little on the dry side, even though normal skin during winter time tends to be more on the dry side. So for that purpose, you could add oil. It could be, my favorite oil of the choice would be jojoba oil, would be grapeseed oil. If you have olive oil, maybe walnut oil, even coconut oil will be fine. You add that in the amount of half a teaspoon. So this way you're gonna counteract the drying effect. Now, for acne-prone skin, this mask is really perfect, especially if you have excess oil. And we do know that even acne-prone skin does need some anti-aging care, you would need to add 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Just add 2 drops to the mask. As you also know, one of my favorite oils for acne prone skin, oily skin, is Palmarosa, so you could add 2 drops of that. So any oil you love for the anti-acne care, you add in the amount of 2 drops. For the same purpose, you could even add lavender oil. It also has very powerful anti-aging effects, but I would not add that unless you add the oil. So for example, if you're using this mask as is with water, that's fine. If you are going to use the oils, you would need to add that half a teaspoon of the oil. We need the carrier oil, right? We can't simply apply the oils directly onto our face. So for the acne prone skin, jojoba and grapeseed would be amazingly wonderful if that combination of words even exists. It will not clog your pores or anything. It will be even better, like promote the healing for your skin. And for the mask, that's wonderful. So now once the mask is ready and you applied it on your skin, so this is pretty much something like your skin, it gets a little, so it dries. You can see my hand well. Does it even here? This is it. So you need to let it sit for 10 minutes and then you wash it off with warm water. And a very important thing, before every mask you use a toner. And during the mask, it's very important. I think best way is to lay down and relax. Obviously, do not smile, frown, or anything like that. Nicely relax. So see, I'm showing you like my relaxed hand is your relaxed face, and it's only 10 minutes, guys. Now once you've washed it off completely, apply any other product after the toner that you normally use, and I hope you would love these masks. You know, with all the additions, you could customize it. If you have any questions, do let me know. I wish you guys to stay very beautiful, very healthy, and I want you to realize that glowing skin does need to happen from some little bit glowing, sparkling thing inside of you, and a healthy diet. So guys, all the best. I'll see you later. Bye. Do not forget to put the thumbs up if you like this video.